We will talk about prosocial behavior. Prosocial behavior refers to the behavior towards others that is helpful, constructive, or altruistic. We would like to understand why we have prosocial behavior in some situations and why we do not have on other occasions. There are factors affect whether we would help another person or not. The first factor related is empathetic arousal. It is the emotional arousal that occurs when an individual feels some of the feeling of another person, including pain or fear. Given this arousal, people may form empathy-helping relationship. Basically, people provide help because they have emotions such as empathy and compassion for that person. For example, if you see an old man fall off and hurt himself in the street, you may immediately provide help to him. However, there are also occasions where people do not provide help, even in emergency situations. The bystander apathy refers to the unwillingness of bystanders to offer help during emergencies. It is significantly related to the number of people present in the situation. To further elaborate, the more potential helpers present, the lower the chances help will be given. Can you think of a related phenomenon you observe in your daily life? In another perspective, there are several decision points before an individual decides to give help to another one. The first point would be whether the individual notices another person in trouble. Therefore, it is possible that it is not about the willingness of an individual to help another person, but it is because he cannot identify the trouble of another person. The second decision point related to how an individual defines an emergency. Sometimes, not until someone declares the situation as an emergency, there will be no one take actions to offer help. The third decision point refers to whether an individual would take responsibilities to offer help. There is a related concept called diffusion of responsibilities. It refers to situations when in groups there is a tendency of members to avoid taking action because they assume other people will. The final decision point in offering help would be the selections of a course or appropriate way to offer help.